Om, Om, Om. As the ultimate manifestation of Paramashiva's Somas Gandhamurti, Sishyabhava Murti, I shower you all with Paramadvaita. Today, I initiate all of you with intense power of Ajeyatva, invincibility, and the Subramanya Yantra you all drew. I am blessing it, energizing it. I awaken all of your Kundalini Shakti through Yetakala, Pingala, Sushumna. Connect with Cosmic Kundalini, the Tyagaraja, the Tandava, Ajaba Tandava Tyagaraja.